It's Manhattan,
New Amsterdam.
New York. Dito tayo dumaan last time. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun nandun.
Sino magaling sa Roman numeral?
X is 10.
L is 50.
L is 50. D is 40. I don't know. And C is 30.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi. Baliktad.
M.
Ha? Anong M?
Yung M.
Million.
Ha?
M is million. D is dollar. C is cent.
Tinatawanan lang kayo ni Jessica. Mali-mali daw sinasabi niya eh.
Look at that tall building. Sarap ng tawa ng anak ko.